Hello, welcome to Discover Hidden Profits. Those of us in manufacturing, we hate those daily morning production meetings, right? We dread them. This is what happens with these daily production meetings. Let's say half an hour before the meetings, we sit down in our respective offices, and then we look at yesterday's numbers, and we do some last minute cooking up of the numbers, and then we head out to the meeting, where in the meeting hall there is a whole lot of people, maybe 15-20 people from different teams, production, maintenance, quality, logistics, scheduling, and so on. Each set of people has come there with their own set of numbers. And then what happens is the final inspection people say, no, we got only 90 pieces, 90 parts. Production guys say, no, we gave you 100 parts. What do you mean 90 parts? And then the production guys, some other time the production guy says, no, there was a machine that was down for 2 hours yesterday because of a breakdown. Maintenance people say, no, we gave you back the machine in half an hour. We don't know what you did with the other 1.5 hours. You guys just slept, right? So this is what is happening. People are fighting about the numbers for 45 minutes. And then in the last 15 minutes, you are discussing the problems and possible solutions. And then see how these problems don't repeat again. Whereas it should have been the reverse, right? What happens with Industry 4.0 now is that 10 minutes before the meeting starts, each set of people in their respective offices look at yesterday's reports, and everybody looking at the same reports generated by the Industry 4.0 system. Then everybody goes to the meeting room, where again they're looking at the same reports, everybody at the same reports. And also the Industry 4.0 system not only generated reports, it's also highlighted problem areas. It's showing you, the worst performing machines, the big causes of downtime for yesterday, the big reasons for rejections, all these things. So what is there to fight about? There are no numbers to fight about. Everybody is agreeing on the numbers. So in half an hour, they look at the numbers, they look at the problem areas, they discuss the solutions, and they disperse. So totally you've saved something like almost maybe an hour, right? What do you do with that extra hour now that you've saved from the actual time of the meeting plus preparing for the meeting? Maybe we all go home early, 1 hour early in the evening,